In 2023, experts in consciousness and AI have published this paper, which proposes that AI might be conscious, or at least pretending to have consciousness. However, the verdict among neuroscientists is clear. AI will never be conscious, and here is why. Now, the way consciousness evolved and develops in living beings obviously different than how artificial intelligence is built. Living organisms' survival and consciousness come from complex biological processes and survival needs, which AI systems obviously do not possess. Consciousness is deep and complex. Think about it. It took millions of years of evolution to simply say, I am. Neuroscientists believe that consciousness simply emerged out of nowhere, almost like popped up in some point of our evolution, which doesn't make sense to me. The rise of AI is improving our understanding of consciousness. AI does it not through the computational power that it provides us, but by giving us clear, powerful insight. That is, humans and mammals might entirely built to have consciousness. To be conscious, the external world must be integrated with the internal needs such as hunger and food perception, threat detection and safety needs, pain and avoidance, social bonding, emotional needs, learning, curiosity, etc. These needs are all managed through consciousness. Without giving AI the capability of managing these needs, it will never be conscious. Now, imagine your reality shrunk just to text messages, right? That's ChatGPT's world. These large language models work very differently than our brains. They're missing a key structure, the thalamus, which is crucial for sending sensory and motor signals and for regulating consciousness. Although these machines are getting smarter and more advanced each day, we are led to believe that consciousness requires more than autonomy and self-awareness. Today's AI, even the most sophisticated ones, function without awareness, desires, or subjective experience, missing the evolutionary, biological, and emotional framework core to the definition of consciousness. For something to be conscious, it requires a complex network of interactions. According to integration information theory, without this complexity, AI can't achieve consciousness. However, being conscious isn't just about having the right brain structures. Our brain structure doesn't change when we go under anesthesia, right? Or when we sleep. Yet we are not conscious during these times. This tells us consciousness relies on specific brain activities that differ between being awake or not. So AI systems can analyze data, learn from it, and make decisions based on that learning. This ability stems from complex algorithms and computational power. However, it's important to understand that AI's decision-making is grounded in its programming and data it's trained on. Large language models operate within defined limits. AI systems work with the constraints set by developers. Their decisions are responses based on data and algorithms, not conscious choices. This is why AI is much safer than it's actually dangerous. Experts in the field, such as Sam Altman and Elon Musk, essentially believe that a specific model of large language model that is designed from ground solely to have consciousness, then it might be possible. In fact, the paper we mentioned in our opening exactly supports this claim. While it might be possible, it is very difficult and not the main goal, right? The focus is more on making AI useful for us in practical ways, but not trying to make it conscious. So far, with concrete, grounded, empirical evidence, AI will never be conscious. And the reason is simple. Because they are not designed to be conscious, but designed to be a tool. Therefore, unless someone with immense power, like Elon Musk, develops a specific AI that its whole purpose is to be conscious, then it might mimic consciousness. Even then, it's not possible.